Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Simone. I am a Dallas-Fort Worth real estate agent. And today I'm gonna give you a tour of this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located here in Arlington, Texas. This house is listed for $389,000. So as always, we're gonna start on the outside and we'll work our way in. Alrighty guys, so here is the outside of the home. This is a 2-car garage located on the outside, and you do have this double door situation, which I really love. So as soon as you enter into the home, you do run into the stairs that leads to the upstairs, which I'll take you guys up there once we finish our tour downstairs. So here is the nice open concept. This is a newly renovated home, so everything is practically brand new. You have those gorgeous floors, and check how cute the island is with those gorgeous lights. Let me zoom in so you guys can see the lights. So sparkly and pretty. Really cute. Okay, so here is your nice big island. You got some brand new cabinets, and then you also have some brand new backsplash. So really cute. You have the double sinks. Of course, we gotta run our water. And then you have the brand new appliances that are all Samsung brand. You have that brand new refrigerator, stove, and over the hanging microwave. Over the stove hanging microwave. So cute, right? So definitely love that. So off of the main living room, you do have a second living room area that does have a fireplace and this brick accent wall, which is really cute. Also looks like you have some super cute built-in shelves, which we love. Ooh, need a little dusting. So there's that black wall and then that fireplace. Now this looks like a fireplace cover because if you pull this up, you can see the fireplace and the cobwebs behind it. So this is your second living room space, and then the doors right here lead to the patio. So look how the cabinets, look at that. You have lots of cabinet space with the pantry, not the pantry, with the island, because it looks like you actually don't have a pantry here. So you really would be depending on the cabinets because this looks like a storage room, yeah. So that is your 2 living areas. You can also even make that second one like a dining room in case you don't really need 2 separate living room spaces. So, and I love the amount of windows that this home has. It's very bright. You get a lot of natural light. Like you have window right here, and then you have another window. So, I mean, there's windows everywhere. So, I'm gonna take you guys on back to the master. So as you walk this direction, this is gonna be your bathroom that's located downstairs. Now, fun story, this bathroom is gonna be attached to the master. Look at those lights, so cool. So as you wrap around this direction, this room that we're entering here is actually your master bedroom. So your master bedroom does come with a fireplace as well, and the black matches that other one located in there. So pretty big master. You do have this closet down here, and like I said, that wraps around to the other side of the home, which this is going to be the primary bathroom for the downstairs. And then you got another window. So definitely you are sharing your restroom with your guests because this is the only bathroom. But at least it's a very nice big bathroom. So that's gonna be your master. The other bedrooms, like I said, are gonna be located up the stairs. I'm gonna go ahead and take us up there really quick. So upstairs you'll find 3 more bedrooms and another full-size bathroom. So as soon as you walk up the steps to your right, you're gonna bump right into your other full bathroom, which is pretty much identical to the one that is located downstairs. So you are matching. And then looks like some more storage space right behind there. Here's that view from the steps. So then upstairs you are gonna find the 2nd bedroom right here. And then you'll find your 3rd bedroom. No, yeah, 2nd, 3rd, and then 4, because it's a total of 4 bedrooms. So here's your view of the upstairs. You got that pretty tree. So yeah, guys, comment below and let me know what you guys think about this. This house is listed for $389,000. It originally was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, but they expanded the downstairs, adding an extra living space, and then also adding that full-size shower in that bathroom. So yeah, I think it's cute. Would I pay $389,000 for it? Let's see. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, guys. So before we finish out the video, I'm going to show you the garage. This is a 2-car garage. And then outside of here, you're going to find your washer dryer set up. So you will have to come out to the garage to get your laundry. So is that a deal breaker for you guys? Do you want your laundry unit indoors, or does the garage, doesn't make you much of a difference? So let me know in the comments. But yeah, lots of potential. You have a lot of room. I like that. I like that you have a lot of room to set up a lot of different ways. I think it's cute. Alrighty guys, that wraps up our tour for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already done so. And as always, let me know in the comments, would you pay $389,000 for this home located in Arlington, Texas? And if not, tell me why not. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And as always, there'll be more videos to come. Alrighty guys, bye.